Hey everyone, and welcome back to another video. And in this video, I'm going to show you how to connect your Citizens Bank with the OnePay app. Now, this video is going to be particularly useful for individuals. Let's say that you're starting to use the OnePay app and you want to use your Citizens Bank to fund it. How do you actually go ahead about doing so? Now, this video is going to be short, sweet, and simple, guys. There's not going to be a lot of steps involved. Now, in order to do this, what you're first going to do is click on the upper right-hand corner, your profile icon, then click on Account, then click on Linked Accounts, then click on Link Bank Account. Now it's going to prompt you to connect to Plaid. Plaid is what OnePay uses in order to keep your data safe. Click on Get Started, then click on Continue as Guest, then scroll down and click on Citizens. Now it's going to prompt you to log into your Citizens Bank so that you can select which account you want to be connected to the OnePay app. But there you have it, guys. That right there is the best and easiest way that I know of to actually go ahead and connect your Citizens Bank to the OnePay app. If you guys know of a better or easier way to actually do this, let me know in the comments down below. I would love to know. Thanks so much for watching, everyone, and I'll see you guys all in the next video.